Gonna bail back south towards Redfield, South Dakota. Now that this little linear mess deal is kind of lining out and trying to turn southeast, so still trying to dive south ahead of this thing. It's kind of starting to race eastward though. Still have to keep going farther, get out of the precip now on top of us. Blowing quite a bit of dust. We'll see if this turns into a big haboob later. Nice little green glow up there. Starting to kick up some dust. Brett taking his pano like a pro over here. I think it's just a big mean line now, starting to dive south. Stopped for like 30 seconds to shoot, and now we're already under it. Driving through Huron, South Dakota. South end's starting to get a little striated, kind of. Little elevated textures.
Nice blinker!
We can
asshole!
Nice textured base on this south part. See how long this lasts. Excuse the cows yelling. Got caught in a big Vilmax now. Mostly just dime size stuff. Had a double rainbow for a little bit, but it dissipated pretty quickly. Constant rumble of thunder from the backside of this thing. Here's our sunset. Not too shabby. Getting some Amadas off those storms of fire to north central Nebraska.